Hello and welcome to Ender's Lists. Today, the top 10 most controversial birds. Number 10, the Steller's jay. Despite its astronomical sounding name, the Steller's jay actually believes that the Earth is only about 6,000 years old and has been lobbying for years to get the British Columbian Board of Education to teach that to students. Number 9, we have the yellow-rumped warbler. It has long been opposed to allowing refugees into the United States. The picture here shows it overwatching a refugee camp. Number 8, the red-crested cardinal. The red-crested cardinal will often attend St. Louis Cardinals games and leave in the 6th or 7th inning if its home team is losing. Number 7, the red-backed button quail. The button quail here will often attempt to fly in front of the friends of vice presidents' faces, luring out shots. Number 6, the squirrel. The squirrel continues to insist that it is not in fact a bird at all, which is disputed by myself and many reputable birdologists. Number 5, the lesser frigate bird. The lesser frigate bird has been known to imitate a type of warship and has charged the U.S. government billions of dollars over the past 20 years by flying alongside carrier groups. Number 4, the white-face whistling duck. Ducks in general are known to hoard money in large vaults and swim exclusively in them, refusing to share with anyone outside the top 1% of the 1%. Number 3, the sooty tern. This bird controversially stole Fetty Wap's original rap name. Number 2, Meyer's parrot. This bird will often pretend to be repeating something and say things like, "Don't tell my wife," when company is over. Number 1, the superb starling. This bird is just kind of a prick. Please subscribe to Ender's Lists for updated lists on a possibly daily, but more likely less frequent basis. Thank you for watching.